Hello. Yes, say abuano. Se ahoma ne chena esono ne so. Ena ahoma no eso ni konso a wosane ne wia esono ne so. Nya me pa chense aware mu beginning na de papa bobo. Anita, Afriyie, one of the finest Ghanaian gospel musicians. Me feel so ohia mental help because the videos bi amako hu no me raho me Christoni nti me hu Christoni sa me nsre eye me ya na wa worry e wo Ghana na wa kwotena US kakra na before that no video bi a ye interview na ne bisa said do you have problem with your husband or say me dey me fefe me kunu kra no ye ko hwe video no me buy beto so
because he's a good man and I loved him. Now, Debbie or done any now I see I'm going to say I'm Jana. I saw me Kuno, my film. Was a one to ask you, hey, gospel musician or Finny Kurani. Hey, blind your Kono. I will kiss him and kiss my kiss. Even other say, I will wear it and tell me, would you kuna? Because I am the home from Kron kissing. Send me or what to me, couldn't tell young who can make kissing as I know. Because he's a good man and I loved him.
A few moments later.
I'm a bush of what in Zabro, no, I catch your bush of some money. In that one is your business. And it's a Ghana court, what time I could take Casino. With my pretty Casino, my neck just a more print on Modicano. You can print it Kakaraka like that. Fabo when him, Fabo, Okonia, Fabo Wolf. But you should have Obama. I don't give a fuck. Hey, legal husband. It's a free husband, Abwini. Now, show me. I bet I can look at Kabasu Kaba, a Kabala Kalashakshegala, over Kahausa. No Marika, hey, no Marika, no Manani, hey, Menani. I must median two to them, I'm from Mount. Because I'm one. Okay.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Welcome, hi Xposed GH. Subscribe, share, the two announcer can be. Video no here. Na when your friend Aware, Sebe, Obintimi Ram, and your friend Aware. There shouldn't be any third party in marriage. That's my belief. More someone the two of you should come together and solve it. That is what we call true marriage. Now when you know in some semi buyer. Ya mami Anita Afriyie. Minim say heartbreak o. Say ya broken heart o. Say ya badam samo. Mentia say because ensem bia ekokoso no. Lady na mi hu ne say oto Kristo nyum na o hye mi nkuran no. Enyo no nie. Lady na sabe ne nyum ne de efa afutuo mu no enyo no nie. Ne say aware bone etete atare papa. Asema me kan kosia ne se asema ba oni ni kunu ntem lady ba ko ya boni tibidi insha beti ono so e gospel musician allegedly o say ni kunu eji insha beti o say da bi insha beti eji ni kunu sika odi ba nyina insha beti na ni kunu de man yenko ni ekotie ne ba e beto aso
wo insha beti wo ni nyina na me show my camera was on you. I was watching you. Adia wo ye tia me suma se wo pese me ya nyuntuni a me ya nyuntuni osesa fom me amatumi wo nim sunsun metem so o ga so ngwa na wo baifo me baye ne chen wo de me se fam konfo ka keku konfo jagadu konfo na bubu wo fu se afu doshi sia. And I walk what I don't get. And I tell you life, I say no all my fans. Really? That's it. What na me I got if you rush me. What top nam was some nam no dia bro. Wo fuse nanka wate. You know nanka wate? Abraham cho nanka wate. No dia bro no what di no awi. Abena me wo ya wo nu kunu moto na moto sere de breme abua. You pretend like you love me. Oba na me sister no no. Ukojina nkoko na wo ka mo asem. Perpetual didie na fra me no sister. Asam be ka kire we sister. Perpetual didie na be ka kire. Busa say me ma me na confirm ye. Would the day my father saw you, me papa, or the America? What the America? When you would die. But the day my father set his eyes on you, I just said, oh, so when he bring me show ye. Me papa owe me. The day I wouldn't go see who, so catch them. Now, mammy, young we.
Anita, we a gospel musician. We are obia wato nyoma nkofo efa efutuo. There be a see a cast will be a celebrity. We don't even know why we call them celebrities. It means that people look up to you. Me adia ekosono ene ukasa no eye me ya. Na sabe makuma mumidi yawo. Because at this time ene so man who say enyum na woto no wote ase na sabe abana me fa wom no so fu fa abane fi mu. Na se gospel fo na mo yese bia na mo pa che se eyensem kwakwa na mo keka na nya mo mabrabo bia mu lidi. Insha meti minim personally minim say she's also a married woman. Insha meti ade ba ko no say oh very jovial. Sometimes on whom you say my husband and normal to me sure say insha meti na minim because I am one of the most disciplined women I have ever come across. I know her personally. Onye me masem Satan kwa no worry, no nya memasem. Na inshabeti awan me sure so be masem. I stand to be corrected, but that is my belief. It is sabe. Say Anita Afriyie what bibi po a. Inshabeti oto nyom to say na oto mu. Mu nyina mo so nyame baako. That's what I believe. And you could have called her for a better explanation. But here we are mayor and more good Christo animasi. Then be I say, Mama Mokanya ni si preponation na enshrine. Na ni amuye kania na enshrine na. Enye kania papa. Na meka say as much as I know in Shabbat, sometimes you know, I say careful ye ni obi kuru and obi ye edi agra. Sometimes it can what misunderstood. Say be oh woni ni di agra keke ba ye nti ase. Whatever be the case. In Shabbat, only Anita Afriyie, mu ye gospel musicians, and yet Fenya Moye no. Mama Sabe, Yasa Sani Christo. You profess mu follow Christo, but Mama Yasa Esri Christo. And ye be as in me and mu come Namunka. Namu nyina mu ye Christo for. Na adie we de enye fe me ko hu ye no mera ho. Anita, baby a wo bia no, me catch you say, twaso enkasa biem. And na evidence say in Shabbat on kasa ye because on kasa na we can no na edeko baby adu no momma yema Kristo endi yen kan na ye make sure say bibia baby no e hye Kristo anionyam san hye Kristo anionyam na yen na ye hye yen anionyam dia enya de papa aha Xposed DHFM Bruce subscribe share me to my announce I can manwes.